Hello, my beautiful family. How you are doing? Hope you are good. Oh, thank God for the blessing of this brand new day. This is a month of Valentine. Who is your Val? You don't have? You have? You are not in good terms? Don't you worry. In Valentine's Day, it does not necessarily mean that you must be with somebody. You must be with somebody special. If you have your children with you, celebrate Valentine with your children. If you have your man with you, fine. Make it a family Valentine celebration. You know why? Because our children too deserve to be loved. Our family together celebrating Valentine in this trial times, in this quarantine season where sicknesses are everywhere. Be grateful that your children are with you. Everybody is here. Be grateful. Celebrate it with them. You know why? Because God loves you. You are in this. You are here. You are healthy. Your children is healthy. Your children are healthy. Wow. I think it's a blessing that we are alive. Our children are alive. Our children are happy. They are healthy. Celebrate Valentine with your children. If you don't have husband, if you don't have man, celebrate it with your children. But if you have your husband, make it a family celebration. You know why? Because these sicknesses are everywhere. But we came out. We are not sick. We can't have victoriously. We are not sick. We are healthy. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but I am telling you, celebrate it with your children, celebrate it with your family. After you finish celebrating with your family, then you and your man can now go and celebrate the after party. You know what I mean? After party, wow. As for the married couples, you celebrate it with your family in the day. In the night, you go and have the after party. Wow, I think that is going to be a bomb. For the single women, you celebrate it with your children. Show them love in this love season. Show them love. Make them understand that they miss the whole world to you. Remind them once again. They know. I know they know. They know that you love them. They know that they miss the whole world to you. But this is another opportunity for you to remind them once again that, hey, my children, you miss the whole world to me. We are going to be celebrating Valentine's together. You are single, celebrate yourself. You know why? Because the greatest gift is you being alive, healthy. Celebrate yourself. Give yourself a treat. Tell yourself once more, I love you, my body. I love you, myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Keep on saying it till your body understand that yes, you love your body. You love yourself. You are a single man. Celebrate it yourself. Don't go around and be looking for Valentine girlfriend. No. It does not worth it. You know why? Because you might find the wrong one. Please celebrate Valentine. If you are alone, celebrate it alone. Remind yourself once again that yes, myself, I love you. If you are a single mother, a single father, celebrate it with your family. Celebrate it with your children. Make your children understand that yes, I love you, my children. Yes, they know you love them, but remind them once again that yes, my children, I love you so much. Give them assurance. Make them understand once again you love them. If your home is complete, you have your children are there, your husband or your wife, they are there, celebrate it with them. Don't go and be it's my husband, it's just it's lovers day. It's time to, it's a day to show love to your loved ones. Celebrate it with your children, then in the night you will not come and have the after party. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Wow. I wish you all happy Valentine, my friends, my loved ones, my fans, every one of you. I love you all so much. I wish you happy Valentine, in goodness, in success and prosperity. Have a nice day and stay blessed and safe. Stay safe, guys. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.